Hi guys, it's Michelle. Today I'm going to be showing you what I did in my guest bathroom. I've been super busy and I haven't been uploading because I launched my website and I've been really busy with that, where I am doing e-designs online. So if you want a room design in your home, click on the link in the description box. It's super affordable and I will be glad to design your room for you. So today I'm going to show you around this bathroom. Guys, if you like interior design and decorating, or you're just trying to turn your house into a home on a budget, go ahead and click the subscribe button right now so you don't miss out. So now let's go ahead and jump into the video. So guys, right here above the toilet, I went on and I put this tray. This is a silver and gold tray that I got from Ross, where I'm holding some extra toilet paper. On the first shelf, and this is a DIY shelf that I did myself, I have these two containers that I got from HomeGoods. Almost everything on the shelf is from HomeGoods, but I absolutely love these because I can store, different things in it. Right now I have Q-tips and cotton swabs. I'm just giving you a better look at the brackets that are holding the shelf. Those are from the Home Depot. And I'll have a link to that in the description box or in the comments. On the top shelf, I just have this cute little orchid that I got from Ross a while ago, and some yellow towels because the theme of the bathroom is yellow, gray, and white. And I absolutely love it. It's so soft and beautiful, and it really puts me in the mind of springtime. So I'll have it like this until springtime. I have this mercury glass candle holder here that I've had for a while, and I think I did get that from HomeGoods. Over here, my cabinet. Now this used to be a honey oak color, and I just painted it with chalk paint. The paint color is gray, elephant gray, and I did get it from Walmart. It is of the Waverly brand. Up on the countertop, I have this beautiful crystal lotus candle holder where I have this gray candle that is by Ellen DeGeneres, and this towel is also by the Ellen DeGeneres line. My favorite thing in here is this beautiful yellow vase. This was the inspiration for the whole room, and that is from Marshall's, and I put these silver sticks inside that I've had for a long time. The mirror over here, I did replace that. That is from the at-home store, and I believe it was $75. The faucet, I changed that myself, and that is from Lowe. Over here, I have another tray that I got from Ross, and on top of it, I have my acrylic napkin holder and the acrylic soap dispenser. The napkin holder is from Amazon, and the soap dispenser is from HomeGoods. And right above here, I just put this metallic leaf, this metal leaf, which I got from Burlington a while ago. And I'm showing you the full length mirror that's behind the door that also matches the mirror that's over the sink. On the other side where I have the shower, I basically did a double rod that I always do. I do the shower curtain rod, and this is a beautiful yellow and white shower curtain. It's fabric, and it is from Marshall's. I believe it was $19.99. And then I have my curtains hanging on either side. To the right of that, I have my towels. I have the gray bath towel, and then I have the yellow hand towels on top. These tassels right here are from Lowe's, and you can find those over by the where they have their curtains. And I did change out my outlet covers. Those are from Lowe's as well. I have the matching toilet paper holder. So guys, if you have any questions about anything that you've seen in the video, just let me know in the comments and I'll get back with you. I'm going to give you another overview of the bathroom. It's a really small bathroom, and I know that this is a typical layout for a lot of bathrooms in a lot of homes. So hopefully you got some ideas or some inspiration from what I've done. I forgot to mention to you that the curtains, the white curtains on either side, are from Tuesday morning, and they are 108 inches, and they go all the way to the ceiling. That metal piece you saw in the center is from Ross. Okay, let me quickly tell you about my website. If you're struggling with how to decorate your room, basically the way my website works is you give me a picture from the four walls of one room in your home, and I will design that room for you, and within 7 days I will deliver the design, the layout, where you can get links to everything in the room. It's all in one big package. So if you're interested in something like that, go ahead and click on the link in my description box. This wall art, that is from a Facebook Marketplace seller, and I paid like $20 for that. So you can really find some great deals on Facebook. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Be safe and take care of yourself.